guys, it's Jack from J&J Computer Repairs. Some people have been asking for a basics video on all of the parts of the computer, so that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So first up we have the motherboard. This is where all of the parts of the computer connect. This is the CPU. This is the brains of the computer, and this goes under this cooler. This is the hard drive. This connects to the motherboard using this cable and into this slot. It holds all of the data and apps on your computer. This is the Wi-Fi card. This enables your computer to go on Wi-Fi, and this goes right here in this slot. This is the GPU. This puts up an image on the screen so you can see what you're doing. And this goes right in here. This is RAM. This is short-term storage, but it's fast, so you can have all of your programs running on it. And these go right in these slots on the motherboard. And then you just push down and it gets inserted. There we go. And then this is the power supply. This provides power to all of your computer components. This is called the 24-pin connector on the power supply, and this gets plugged right in here. And then this is CPU power. And then this one gets connected to your hard drive. Thanks so much. I hope this video was helpful in showing you all of the basic parts of the computer.